I've forgotten the year, but I think this is almost the 4th year in a row that we've received this award. You can find out more about it in today's video. Hi guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with Mr. J.
Hi Sean, nice to have you back. Guess what?
What?
Don't need this.
No, that's old.
Oh,
Where that went, we can't say.
Oh,
so
no.
you're gonna have a horrible time swimming there to get it. You know what, Jay? I've missed you. Before we talk about whatever we're talking about, I missed you. It's been a long time since I've been in the office.
That just ticks off
You
my
have new
day.
sunglasses.
You got new sunglasses.
Yeah, I lost the old one in the sea.
I like these ones. These are quite nice.
You've got a greyer beard than I remember.
Yes, my beard's gone greyer. I haven't had the haircut like you have though.
Just got it cut just for this video.
Absolutely. Anyway, why are we here,
Before.
Sean?
Anyway, what we're going to do is we're talking about TripAdvisor's Best of the Best, Travelers Choice, whatever it is, award.
Stop! Kyle, put like loads of big fireworks, not just the little psh, psh, psh ones. We want like massive kind of like Sydney Opera House, London New Year's fireworks. That's what we want, isn't it?
For the 4th year running, they've given us the award. We have to update the signs, we have to update the website, we have to update Facebook. What are you doing here? How do you have time to do a video? Aren't you updating all this stuff?
No, I'm not, Sean, because we already updated it last week when you were away, and we can't talk about where Sean was because he signed
an MBA.
Well, no, actually, I was thinking about this last night. You've signed your MBA agreement to go and play basketball for the New York Knicks.
Yes.
Okay, I haven't signed it.
Yeah,
right?
so you can say, but you don't know anything.
No, but I know what you've told me.
To text you.
You've told me some of it. So if I tell people what you've told me, does that put you into trouble?
Yeah, that puts me in trouble.
Brilliant. Okay, so Sean was on this video shoot, and it was a movie shoot for Hollywood Blockbuster, and it was called. What?
Didn't you have the best 3 weeks ever because you didn't get text from me ever?
It was quite nice. Sean was away for 3 whole weeks.
Yeah, didn't
Very
get any
nice.
text. Anyway, so
Yes.
TripAdvisor is probably the #1 platform when it comes to rating tourism-based activities, whether it's hotels, locations, beaches, or tours.
Things to do. Yep.
Yep. We managed to be, for I think this is the 3rd year running, the #1 rated company in all of Phuket. And now for the 4th year running, we've got given the TripAdvisor Travelers Choice Award, which means we're one of the top 10%
That's
of
right.
things to do in the entire world.
And they base that over a 12-month survey. So they take 12 months of comments and reviews, and it's the top 10%. We're top 10%,
Yes,
mate.
and I'm going to tell you, Jay, last year
Yes.
when we got it, I was a bit teary about it because
Oh,
it was...
Not this year.
No, this year...
This year, he doesn't give a
No, it actually feels like...
You probably have to bleep that bit out, Kyle.
Yeah. It kind of feels like now, it's like if we don't get it, I'm going to cry. We do work very, very hard behind the scenes to make sure that we deliver seamless experiences, and Jay sees that. He sees the team in there working their butts off. He sees the team down on the pier cleaning their boats, running great tours, the guides doing the best they can. So this is not my award, this is not Jay's award, this is the team's
Well, no,
award.
I'm going to take some of it.
You're a part of the team.
Sometimes.
You'll be at the team meeting tonight. Yeah, no, we missed that one. Anyway.
Hold on. Is there a team meeting tonight?
Yeah, because normally we do it on the 5th of the month, but I was away in crappy filming, so we moved it to the 12th, which is today.
I'll just add that to my list of things that, can I just say, it's summer holidays at the moment, so I've got 2 kids at home and I'm trying to manage. One plays football over that side of the island, the other one goes horse run over that side of the island, and I've got work to do. I'm shattered. Anyway, carry on.
But I did want to say a big shout out to all of our amazing guests who have left reviews for us. It's your reviews, it's your time spent writing the reviews and posting them that gives us an award like this. And I would like to take a moment to thank the entire 5 Star Marine team.
In fact, here's the guest pictures of some of our favourite guests.
The 5 Star Marine team, the ones that you see on the boat and the ones that you don't.
Yes.
Even Kyle, who's not even behind the camera, but he's somewhere in space that edits
I've never seen Kyle. We've got a picture of him.
Kyle either.
No. Kyle, put a picture of yourself on the screen. That's Kyle, look.
Yeah, so thank you to Kyle, thanks to the marketing team.
Wow, I didn't think you looked like that.
Yeah, thanks
My
to
God.
everybody
Why has he
for
got
everything
boobs?
you've done. And let's go again for next year. Let's go for TripAdvisor's award again next year. So that means if you're coming on a boat, write us a 5-star review.
You better do, otherwise we won't get this video next year.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. We're done.
That's
We're
it.
cut. We wanted to say thank you.
Okay.
We wanted to say thank you to everybody. And here's a look at what the award looks like.